Our ATM room design adopted only one analytical form, sphere, to save material use and provide natural feeling of stability. The ATMs will be situated inside the 5 glass chambers inside the main structure. The double glass layer design not only ensured sufficient natural sunlight to come into play in our room, but also provides a double protection from both privacy issues and weather conditions. By providing 5 ATMs instead of 1, you never need to line up anymore.
The outer layer mimics muscular movement to achieve a constant temperature and lighting. This layer contains dielectric elastomers, which is one kind of polymer materials, and 2 sheets of PV glasses. By using this system to reflect the light coming in, the temperature and lighting in the room can be controlled. The inner layer uses electrochromic glasses to change its transparency from lucency to dark. This can protect the user's privacy and tell others that the ATM room is occupied. This smart glass works on an external voltage to make electrochemical oxidation reduction reaction occur by means of gaining or losing electrons to change the color. The surface of layers mimics the leaves of lotus flowers, which can clean itself automatically. When water drops on the surface, it will move down combined with dust to make the surface clean. This kind of surface can save a lot of labor force and keep the room pretty.
As soon as the customer steps in the ATM room, a sensor underneath will calculate his or her body measurements and adjust the ATM screen to a position that the person is most comfortable with. For instance, the screen will move itself to the left side for a left-handed customer, and it will also adjust its height for the tall people who often have to stoop down when using a traditional ATM machine.
So, how can we solve the problem of incapability of adjusting position of the ATM machine? Here we introduce the memory alloy, which is able to change the shape with the variation of the temperature. The heating system receives the information from the database collected by the main sensor system. Then the temperature begins to increase or decrease to the certain setting standard, which allows the ATM machine to adjust the position automatically.
Mainly, our project has 2 kinds of power generating methods. The first method is the conventional solar power material used at the room surface. It will provide the power to conduct the movement of the home static surface, and the remaining power will be stored to be used in other functions. The other method is footstep power generating. When the people step on the ground, the generator will convey the force power to electricity energy that can be used by lighting or the other function of the chamber's wall. The maximum efficiency will be achieved by installing the generator at the entrance, since it is the place where people walk on the most.